Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video I will show you really quickly how you can upload videos to your library on Google Drive. So let's get started. Head over to Google Drive, log into your Google account of course, and what you want to do next guys is head over to your home screen here to the left and click on that plus new icon or button here in the top left corner and select file upload, for example if you'd like to upload a single video, or select folder upload if you'd like to upload an entire folder containing videos here to your library on Google Drive. So for demonstration purposes I'm gonna upload a single video file to my library, so click on file upload, locate the video file on your device or on your computer, wait for a moment for the upload to be finished. That may or may not take a while depending on the file size. And once the file has been uploaded, it will be added to your library here on Google Drive. If necessary guys, refresh the page to see the uploaded video file, and as you can see it has been uploaded. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.